guys, Namastey. This is Shalini and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make food and recipe videos, and today I'm here with 4 different types of Thorans which you can prepare for your Onam Sadhya. I will be making beetroot, carrot, beans and cabbage thoran, and I'll be mentioning the timelines of each of these recipes in the description box below so that you can easily skip and check out the recipe of your choice. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
First, we are going to see how to make beetroot thoran, and the ingredients are here. To make beetroot thoran, I have taken about 1 medium-sized beetroot and grated it. So heat a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil followed by 1 teaspoon of mustard. When it splutters, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Add 2 to 3 dry red chilies and curry leaves. Add the grated beetroot followed by 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies. Add 4 to 5 finely chopped garlic cloves and combine well. Add about half teaspoon of red chili powder and mix again. Cover and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. Season with some salt and add half cup of grated coconut. Give it a good mix. Add half teaspoon of cumin powder and cook covered for a couple of minutes more. And that's it. Beetroot thoran is ready. Now we are going to see how to make carrot thoran, and the ingredients are here. To make carrot thoran, I have taken about 3 medium-sized carrots and grated it. I have also taken about 4 to 5 shallots and finely sliced them. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of mustard. To it, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 2 to 3 dry red chilies followed by the finely sliced shallots. Saute well. Add 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies, some curry leaves and mix well. To this, add half cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and combine well. To this, add the grated carrots. Season with some salt. Mix again. And cook covered for about 5 minutes in low flame. If you want the crispy carrots, you can cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. Carrot thoran is ready. Here are the ingredients for beans thoran. I have taken about 300 grams of string beans and finely chopped it. You can also use French beans. If so, diagonally cut them. To make beans thoran, heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add 1 teaspoon of mustard. When it splutters, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Add 2 to 3 dry red chilies, some curry leaves and add the chopped beans. Mix well and add 3 to 4 slit green chilies. Add about 7 to 8 chopped garlic cloves and mix again. Season with some salt and add a quarter cup of water. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix again. This is one of the few thorans where water is added to cook the main vegetable. Now cover and cook in low flame for about 10 minutes. Once done, add half a cup of grated coconut and cover and cook again for a couple of minutes. This is optional. I did this step to cook the coconut a bit more. Combine well. And add half teaspoon of cumin powder. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder followed by half teaspoon of red chili flakes. Add curry leaves and mix again. And that's it. Beans thoran is ready. Now we are going to make cabbage thoran, and here are the ingredients. I have taken about 500 grams of cabbage, which I am going to grate. This is a messy business, yes, and I think you'll agree with me. To make cabbage thoran, heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard, and once it splutters, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal. To it, add 2 to 3 dry red chilies and curry leaves. Add about 6 to 8 finely sliced shallots and mix well. Add the grated cabbage. About half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies and mix well. Cover and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. Once done, add about 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder, some curry leaves, and cook covered for a couple of minutes more. Again, this step is optional. Mix well, and that's it. Cabbage thoran is ready. I hope you try out these recipes and give me your valuable feedback. If you like them, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, and I'll see you soon.